Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy P Rizzle back in the building for shizzle. You know what I mean? With another watch unboxing, yo. And I'm so excited for this unboxing right now. You know, so what I'm rocking right now is the Tissot PR100. And it's only fitting. You know what I mean? So check it. Take a closer look at this joint right here. Take a closer look. Look at that. Look at that. How nice is that? And it's on a flat link bracelet from Straps Co. Shout out to Straps Co. You know what I mean? So let's get into this unboxing, yo. No, it's not. Can you believe this? Rolex. Yo, and here it is, guys. It's official. You know what I mean? We're about to unbox the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. Look at that. Swiss watches since 1853. Tissot got a gang of heritage, and they have made some great pieces over the years. But my friend, this piece right here is one of the greats, and I've been wanting this piece, and I got it. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to the wife. Shout out to my wife, Darlene. We love you, of course. So let's get into it. Let's do it. You know what I mean? All right. That's the outer shell, of course. Most Tissots come like this with this outer cardboard with their different logos over the years. You know what I mean? So that's hot. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I ain't never seen no Tissot boxing like this. I'm used to the old school Tissot boxing. You know what I mean? What this say? Time is precious. The planet too. 100% recyclable packaging. Wow. Okay, so they are using recycled materials to make their boxes and make their things. So here we go. There it is. Oh, what is this? Oh my God. Wow. Okay. So let's go through these three different little iterations of how Tissot used to look. I guess this is the original building. You know what I mean? Over in Switzerland. And this is an updated version. And this must be the version of the building right here, right now, today. So like I said, I think this may be the first. That's the second. And there's the last one right there with the mountain range in the background. That is nice. That is nice. I like that. I'm feeling it. But yo, here is the star and the main attraction. All right, before we get into this, let's see what else is in the box first. Okay, that comes out. Okay, we have, okay, cool. Warranty card, you know what I'm saying? Yo. Book on how to work the watch. We really don't need that, but you know it's all good. And thank you for your purchase. No, thank you, Tissot. Thank you. All right. Let's put that back in there real nice and neat like. All right. Now we can get to the main attraction. Yeah, there she is. Yo. Ain't she beautiful? Ain't she beautiful? Let me see, what is... Oh, this is the reference number and stuff. You know what I mean? Reference number T137.407.11.041.00. Don't you hate when watch brands give like all this undesirable like information? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's too long of a reference number. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna remember that. But anyway, So let's go ahead and unwrap this joint. I've been waiting for this since this came in yesterday. So let's go ahead and get into it, yo. Yeah. Good morning, gorgeous. Whew. Well, in your case, good evening, gorgeous. Whew. It's fire, 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 fire. Ooh-wee. And you know why else I like Tissot? When it comes to packaging, they make it so freaking easy. You know what I'm saying? Some of these brands, man, the packaging on it be just so terrible. And they take you through hoops. You got to get knives and scratch up your stainless steel or your croc leather strap. You know what I mean? Tissot don't take you through all that. There we go. All right, there we go, right there, yeah. All of the plastic is off, and there she is. Good morning, darling. Good freaking morning. Look at that, whew. This thing is plush, it's so plush. Ooh. And look at that, look at the decorated rotor. Oh my God, oh my God. Let me tell you, I'm gonna take the plastic off of this too. You know what I mean? Because we got to take a look at the way this rotor looks and this exhibition case back. Yo, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Tissot really has done it with this one, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I opted for this version because I was gonna get the quartz version and I didn't. You know what I'm saying? And everybody speculated that an automatic was coming. And guess what? It's here. And your boy got it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the watch enthusiasts. Shout out to the homie. You know what I'm saying? David Swartz, hashtag SwartzForce. Miguel, SoCal Watch Reviews. Omar, Timeless Sneakers and Watches. You know what I'm saying? Eve from Alias Steve Dan. Just everybody in the watch community, period. It's a whole lot of y'all. Y'all know who y'all are. So get into it. This your boy Pete Ross. We finna try this baby on the wrist. So stand by. All right, yo, and here it is. Bang. On the wrist, in the building, the PRX. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Good morning, gorgeous. Look at her. In the building, glistening and shining. Look at that sapphire on that. Look at that sapphire. In the building, yo, this your boy Pete Ross. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We are in the building. You know what I mean? The Tissot, oops. Is it Tissot? Tissot. It's Tissot PRX. Peace.